Hey, it's Lyndon here. I just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to you and everybody who has supported my channel, because we've just hit 10,000 subscribers. Yay! It's absolutely fantastic. My wife's over the moon. My friends are like, yay, go Lyndon. And it's a milestone. So just thank you so much. I relaunched my channel in 2023. We had a few hundred subscribers, and I was just doing videos on my phone, mainly for my private clients. Since then, and it's now April 2025, I have loaded up 181 tutorials onto YouTube, and it has been incredibly hard work. And I've started my own website, which is saxmadesimple.com, which is really a dream come true. I never thought that in my advanced years I would be a YouTuber or having my own platform. And people had been saying to me for a long time, my private clients, really enjoy your lessons, you're a really good teacher, why don't you do YouTube, and why don't you do your own teaching platform like Nigel McGill? And the reason was that it just seemed like a mammoth task, and it is a mammoth task, and I regularly put in 15-hour work days teaching, editing and running workshops. So it is a huge job, but I really enjoy it. And what I enjoy is hearing that I'm making a difference to your saxophone playing and to people's approach to learning the saxophone. So I'd love to grow this channel more. I'd love to get to 100,000 subscribers. I don't know if that's even possible, but that's my crazy dream. And I'd really like your help. So my approach is that you don't need to be the world's best music reader, or you don't have to have necessarily gone to music school. And if you find all of this stuff about music quite challenging and hard, like I do, then you can still be a fabulous player if you focus your attention on the right things. So major scales, minor scales, chord tones, learning things by ear and improvising are where you should be focusing your attention. And if you do that, I promise you, if you're dedicated and you put the work in, you definitely will improve your saxophone playing massively. It doesn't have to be super difficult or super complex. I find this stuff really hard. Playing the saxophone well is hard. So I'm totally with you if you feel that way. And if you do feel that way, then please help me build this channel more. I'd love to get up to 100,000 subscribers. I know it's a crazy dream, but you can help me. It's only you can help me. I can't do it by myself, so I really need your support. So thank you once again. Keep practicing the saxophone. Do feedback to me and let me know things that you would like me to make tutorials on, because I will pay attention to the feedback that I get. And that will also shape my website as well, Sax Made Simple. Right, I better go. I've got a lot of stuff to do, as you can imagine. Thank you so much once again. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.